In this video, I will show you how to fix Amazon Prime Video playback failure. First, you want to completely close the Amazon Prime Video app, then reopen it. A temporary app glitch can sometimes prevent videos from playing properly. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn on the airplane mode on for a few seconds and then off again to refresh your network connection. If you're using VPN, disable it, then try playing the video again. VPN can sometimes interfere with Prime Video playback. Next, open Play Store or App Store and search for Prime Video. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Running the latest version of the app can resolve playback issues caused by bugs. If the problem persists, then you want to clear the app cache. For that, long press on Prime Video, then tap on this app info icon. Now scroll down and find the option of storage. Here tap on clear cache. After this, restart your device and launch Prime Video again. If you're still experiencing problem, check whether Amazon Prime Video is experiencing a service outage. If it is, then you simply want to wait until they fix this problem. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.